Hi guys, here 6 plus 4 square is 16 divided by 2 times 3 minus 7. Here 6 plus 16 is 22 divided by 2 times 3 minus 7. Here 22 divided by 2 is 11 times 3 minus 7. Here 11 times 3 is 33 minus 7 is 26 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operations, this 26 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce that PEMDAS rule from order of operations. Here this is a bracket, this is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. We don't have any bracket in this problem. Next priority is exponent. Exponent is 4 power 2. Here, 6 plus 4 power 2 is 16 divided by 2 times 3 minus 7. Here we have addition, division, multiplication and subtraction. Multiplication divisions are higher priority than this addition subtraction. So we have to do this before this addition. So here both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to follow here left to right. Here left to right is this one. So 6 plus 16 divided by 2 is 8 times 3 minus 7. Here we have addition, multiplication, subtraction. Multiplication is higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition and subtraction. So 6 plus 8 times 3 is 24 minus 7. Here addition and subtractions are both are equal priority. We are going to follow here left to right. Here left to right is this 6 plus 24 is 30 minus 7. Here 30 minus 7 is 23 is the correct answer.